Today is my 18th birthday, guys.
Happy birthday!
Let's take the stairs. My dad and brother just arrived, and so we're running down there to go greet them and bring them up. Today I'm going into my agency, and then I have one casting, and then we're going to have a family picnic and go collect some different cheeses, different baguettes, different pastries, different meats. Do you guys hear that? That is wind. We're tracking Tristan's phone right now.
Did they get dropped off? Oh, it just like went bing!
Oh, he's moving. They're moving. They're gonna be out here any second now.
I have a jacket on. I have a jacket, but I don't need it right now.
You look so handsome, you guys. It's so nice to see you.
Thank you.
Oh,
Hi.
Hey. This is the door. When you leave, you need to click this button.
The bottom one.
This right here, if you want light, you have to push the button for light.
How do you guys feel to be in Paris?
Feels nice.
Bonjour.
All the people look interesting and all the buildings and stuff.
They're beautiful.
What?
Look at Dad shivering. Get that on camera. It's hysterical. Okay, you two go up.
Just wait till you get in the apartment.
Here, you can click the button for them.
Is this really an elevator?
Yeah,
we need to all fit in here.
No, we have to take the stairs or it will break.
What do I push?
Click number 3 when the door shuts.
Wait. You guys are the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Wait, is this really an elevator? Yes!
Goodbye.
Okay.
Au revoir.
It's a closet.
Okay, let's go meet them up there.
Go. They're going.
Yeah,
Ooh,
you're in
cool.
there.
We had, really spacious.
Isn't it beautiful? What's in here?
I had 2.5 pounds of ground beef and some eggs.
You and Tristan are in here.
100%. This is your bed, Daniel. Tristan, this is your bed here.
What are you talking
You
about?
guys are on a different time frame, so you're sharing a room.
What's happening with you, babe?
I don't know how I'm feeling, but I'm feeling good, okay? I woke up to a yummy little pastry from my mom, and she sang me happy birthday. And now I am heading to my agency.
Is it going?
Yeah. This is the man walk.
Okay, now let's go. I thought we were going to do mine.
Mom's walk?
Okay.
Come on, give us an example.
No, I want you just to show us the example. Go. Thanks. Okay, fine. What's Dad's walk now?
Wait, I just realized it's actually real.
Dad?
He goes like this.
Yeah. And he kind of like doesn't move his neck at all. He doesn't move his neck at all.
Je le laisse comme ça. Je veux pas le ronger.
Avec ça, monsieur.
Pareil. De la viande nourrie à l'herbe fine.
He's probably laughing because all of it's grass-fed, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
Is all of your beef, is it all grass-fed?
Yes.
And it's not grain-fed. That's good.
In America, it's a lot is grain fed.
It's gross. Yeah. So this is better quality. Let's do 10 of those. 10.
Yeah. That's beautiful. It's all grass fed. Yeah.
Cheese heaven.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Oh, there's samples.
Whoa, where are the samples?
Right here.
Stop.
Some cream milk.
Oh, please don't touch. Whoops. Wow. Bonjour. Do you speak English? Okay. So today it is her birthday, so she wants to have a picnic.
I think for the goat cheese you can take 2 goat cheese. One like this, very creamy, and this one more dry, more little stronger. For the size, what do you want?
Lots of cheese, huh?
Is that too much?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Exciting. Cherie, my mother agent in Arizona sent me something. Wow, stop it. This is so cute. What? It comes with a vase in there too. Thank you so much, Cherie, for sending me these flowers. It means so much to me. In Paris, getting flowers sent to me. And look at this. Who is beeping?
Here, let's start over.
It smells like freaking heaven. Do you smell that? This is a thin apple tart and semi-salted butter. One of these. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Oh, I'm excited. I think that's good, right?
Gotta have a snack on the way, okay, guys? Try it, Mom. Wow. Is it good? Is it mid? Is it 100 or is it eh?
I'm gonna go get another one.
That's when you know. Let me try.
You like? I'm obsessed.
This is the moment you've been waiting for.
This is it. This is the moment.
Wow.
I'm making a birthday vlog.
Oh,
You want to say hi?
sure.
Here's Glenn and the lemon meringue first bite. Okay.
Beauty, Glenn.
You're like, I just took a bite. Come on, Correa.
No, he's still looking cute. Look at him.
Right? Okay. Head to toe, full fit
Oh.
over here. Uh-huh.
It's a warm day, so.
It is. It feels amazing. We have Mum, and
Would you
they
boys like a
surprised me.
slice of
Happy
cake?
birthday. She's got the stuff.
Crazy 18 now.
Yeah, come on.
We gotta hit that sparkling water.
Sparkling water picnic, y'all.
We legal in Paris now. For sparkling water.
Oh, look at the cute little guy sticking his head out the window. Girl.
On the way to the picnic.
I just walked into the sea, like went all the way under, just calmly down the stairs.
Cheers to being 18.
This is cool.
That's beautiful. What is that, crab?
That's trying his first sugary thing. All right.
What is it?
I don't know, but it's good.
Give us your feedback on
Orange
it, Dad.
blossom.
Orange blossom.
How is it? Good.
I'm a cheese man, guys. Remember this.
I'm the happiest I've ever been in my life right now.
Nice.
The fig gem and the cheese, guys.
I say I'm definitely up there.
I'm on it. You want truffle on it?
No, one sec. I've gotta look stoic.
But my camera's gonna die, so make sure you're free.
1 sec.
He's gotta clear the mouth. Sick freako.
That was the most aesthetic brother bite by the sin.
What are you thinking?
I don't get
It's
it.
for burping on my baguette.
It's just bread.
Isn't it amazing? With the
It is
cheese?
not just bread, it is UNESCO dedicated recipe. Do not say that.
Tastes like bread, dude.
Thanks for the bite. I appreciate it. It was kind of like, the more you chewed it, the better the texture. It like turned up the texture to more of a pliable texture.
Dans mon esprit tout divague, je me perds dans tes yeux.
Go, run. You have to like make it really smooth.
These are way too tall. No, I'm done. If you do it really quick, it's odd looking. What the heck?
He glitches.
Whoa. Nope. That was really impressive, Snow. It's slippery.
Attention! Excuse me, it is this girl's birthday right here!
18 years old.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Correa! Happy birthday to you! Celebrate!
Okay, now you want to transfer to the other side because the lane has ended. Oh boy. Up the sidewalk. Okay. And around we go.
Headed to the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Woo!
Look, we can almost see it. We're almost there.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at it sparkle.
We get the full view.
18 years old, baby.
Go.